Global Enterprises is organizing a 3-day hospitality exhibition which is currently underway at the Alwa Merces and strives to provide a meeting ground for the stakeholders of the hospitality industry in the state.
Global Enterprises works in close partnership with leading and well-known Indian and imported brands such as Scotsman, La Cimbali, Hatco, Vitamix, Ugolini, among others. The exhibition has on display Indian and imported range of kitchen equipment like stainless steel gas ranges, deep fryers, sink tables, work tables, etc. Refrigeration equipment like hot and cold display cabinets, deep freezers, refrigerated salad bars, wine chillers and ice machines, as well as furniture for banquets, restaurants, gardens and pool areas, tents, umbrellas, etc. are on display. Speaking to Goa 365, proprietor of Global Enterprises, Mr. Savio Cruz, told us about the latest equipment that the Global Enterprises have showcased.
But the new launch is our fans, our misting fans, outdoor cooling solutions. That is something which is new. And the only hotel which is already using now is Donna Sylvia. These fans we have two types of fan. One is online fans. Basically it's only water and electricity consumption. They have those nozzles which sprays very fine, which the water doesn't hit you but it creates the coolness around. This is a product which is very common, gel printers from Ricoh. This is something which is unique and it is patented by Ricoh. And this is a printer which is actually, even if you dip the print in water, it does not fade away. And the cost of a color print on a gel printer compared to any other printer is much more economical actually.
We'll be back with more news on the other side of this break. Stay with us. Welcome back. You're with Goa 365. Abhijit Pohankar, a fresh face in Indian classical music, was in Goa recently to display his musical skills at the Swar Abhishek festival that was held at the Kala Academy. Son of noted vocalist Pandit Ajay Pohankar and disciple of Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Abhijit spoke to our reporter Milan Vaingankar about his musical journey.
Abhijit said that it was his passion that led him into the musical field.
This was because I always wanted to come in music field, and that's why I decided that I must come in music field. My father is a renowned vocalist, Pandit Ajay Pohankar, so I thought I must come into this field. That was my passion. It was both natural and passion. You know, unless you have the passion to do it, you can't do it.
Abhijit, who took up music as a career after his schooling, has performed at both national and international festivals.
I am already done a lot of work in music, a lot of international albums, international concerts everywhere. I have performed everywhere in Africa, USA, Europe, London, prestigious halls like Philharmonic Hall in Liverpool, Baxter Hall in Cape Town, South Africa, Dubai, Muscat, everywhere. Okay. India, I have performed almost at all places, all major cities, Delhi, Bombay, and very prestigious halls like Shanmukanand Hall, Shri Fort Auditorium, Delhi, all big concerts.
Indian classical music is often played on conventional instruments such as the tabla, sarod, sitar, etc. However, Abhijit has evolved a new style of Indian classical music that uses the keyboards, which is a predominantly Western musical instrument.
I have just tried to play classical music, Indian classical music on the keyboard, which is a special skill developed by me. And that is something which I myself developed and learned. Plus I got guidance from Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, whose style I try to play on keyboard. You know, I thought that many people play sitar sarod, which is the traditional instrument of Indian music. Nobody has played classical music on keyboard. That's why I thought I should do something different.
Lamenting the fact that the children of today are not inclined towards Indian classical music, Abhijit Pohankar said that there are no shortcuts to carving a niche for oneself in the Indian classical music scene.
Indian classical music is growing, but not with the youngsters. So I don't know really what the future is, but I think Indian classical music has strict listeners, and the listeners are always there. So it should grow, that's my only worry. Classical music, there is no fame which can come fast. You have to really work hard, and those who want to work hard, they are growing in classical music, not otherwise.
Abhijit also spoke to our reporter about his upcoming musical plans.
My albums are some very well-known albums of mine are Piya Bavari and Urban Raga, and there are about 20 international albums what I have done. Now the future, I am doing Piya Bavari Part 3. I am also doing 2 albums with Roop Kumar Rathod and lot of fusion music albums I am doing this year. I haven't done any film. I did just one film of Amitabh Bachchan which was called Boom by Kaizad Ustad. After that I haven't done any film. I'll probably do a film this year.
Bal Bhavan Panjim, in collaboration with the Goa chapter of Sarvodaya International Trust and the Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, New Delhi, organized an Odissi dance performance at the Kala Academy recently.
Srimati Puspita Mishra, trustee of the Odissi chapter of the Sarvodaya International Trust, choreographed the event, which was based on the theme Arpan. Like other forms of Indian classical dance, the Odissi style traces its origins back to antiquity and is the Indian classical dance form from the eastern state of Orissa. Goa 365 spoke to Puspita Mishra, who told us the beginnings of this form of dance.
Odissi is a classical form of dance in the state of Orissa. It's the evolutionary form of Devdasi dance or a Mahari dance, which was early performed in our temples like Lord Jagannath temples. In front of Lord, the Devdasis perform, and they have to sing their own, and they have to live for the god. They are Devdasis, like the slave or Devdasis.
The Odissi dance style, which may be seen as a conglomeration of aesthetic and technical details, is taught at the Bal Bhavan in Goa too, and children being trained in this form of dance also performed on the occasion. Dr. Pandurang Phaldesai, Member Secretary, Kala Academy, spoke to Goa 365 about the reasons for organizing the program.
एक वेगळे संरचना करून नृत्याचे वेगळे कोरिओग्राफी जाका आमी नृत्य संयोजन म्हणतात तशें करून ह्या पद्धतीचो म्हणजे आमच्या महात्मा गांधीजींचे जे विचार आसात सत्य अहिंसा हाजो जो प्रसार आसा तो प्रसार सगळे कडेन जावचो आनी तो जातना तोय बी लोकांच्या आवडीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जावचो अशा पद्धतीचो हो यत्न.
We now bring you performances from Vem Cantar, the annual Portuguese singing contest organized by the Heritage Cell of the Rosary College of Commerce and Arts, Navalim, in collaboration with Fundação Orient and Club Harmonia de Margao.